After like 4 hours of flight, we finally arrived in Bali. It's very late, like 12 or something. After I pick up my luggage, there's still people at the immigration, so don't worry if you don't have the visa. Just do it right there. Yeah. My first homestay, they offer like pickup service from the airport. Even though it's paid, I'm very grateful because it's so late. It's like 12 and 1 a.m. After a really long night and amazing sleep, rise and shine. The weather in Bali is incredible. The hosts in this homestay just give us the most amazing breakfast.
Three-legged downward facing dog. The right foot sticks back to it.
Just finished a yoga session in the very famous yoga barn. I think it's really nice because you can just walk in and decide which class you want to join. And the instructor is really nice. He is very energetic. I think even you're like totally beginners, you won't feel like intimidated. I forgot to bring adapter. Here in Bali, Indonesia, we use different one than what we use in Taiwan. I think I'm gonna go shower, maybe go shopping for a bit. I think there's pretty cute yoga clothes and swimsuits that I'm gonna check it out. Like maybe have a lunch. Check you in a bit. Bye. Okay, show me what you got.
Okay, goodies.
Nice.
Okay, like one of everything. Not one of everything. That's like I just love like the fabric of everything. Like
It's so silky.
it's so silky. I'm obsessed. Like you feel like you're wearing nothing.
I know.
Yeah, they're super flowy. Then these are just like little bike shorts. Just like have too many things. You have to try this on before you get other things. Okay. Good thing you stopped me because I would have kept going. Yay.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me, and hold me in your arms again.
Good morning. Today's breakfast, cake, fruit, and tea.
Nice.
Minute.
7 minutes. Now I'm going to my last yoga barn, yoga class. And I think it's like an aerial yoga, I'm not sure. Yeah. And I'm running a little bit late. So, wish me luck. This is my last yoga class in Yoga Barn and I just love it. It is so nice. One thing I find it really interesting is here they use the belt instead of a piece of fabric. A little bit different but also very interesting. Yeah.